If you're wondering how to conduct fair performance reviews with templates, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll walk you through the best way to handle performance reviews using templates that are easy to implement and help you stay consistent, fair, and effective. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear, actionable method to conduct performance reviews that keep employees engaged and motivated. First things first, a fair performance review needs to be based on clear criteria. Use templates that allow you to assess key performance areas like productivity, collaboration, and job knowledge, so the evaluation is objective and comprehensive. This takes the guesswork out of the process and ensures you're looking at the right factors to help your team improve. Next, the template should offer space for specific, measurable feedback. Instead of vague comments like, "good job," use actionable examples. For example, instead of saying, "you did great with the report," specify, "you delivered the report 3 days ahead of the deadline, which helped the team stay on track." This approach gives employees clear direction on what they did right and how they can replicate it. The software we'll be using today offers a range of performance review templates that can be customized to your needs. These templates allow you to tailor each review based on the role, the specific goals of the employee, and the overall team objectives. By using templates that fit, you eliminate confusion and save time, making the process much more efficient. Plus, it ensures that everyone is being assessed fairly, with the same metrics in mind. Another key to fair performance reviews is two-way feedback. Encourage employees to fill out a self-assessment before the review. This gives them an opportunity to reflect on their own performance and come prepared to the meeting. When you combine their perspective with your observations, it creates a more balanced and open conversation. Then structure the review so it's a conversation, not a lecture. Highlight strengths first to create a positive tone, and then discuss areas for improvement. Be sure to keep the conversation constructive by suggesting ways to address challenges. Templates can help you organize this discussion, so nothing important is overlooked. One thing to remember, fairness doesn't just come from what you say, but how you say it. Make sure your tone is consistent, and avoid letting personal biases influence the review. Templates help keep the conversation focused on performance, not on personal opinions. The last tip for conducting fair performance reviews is to always tie feedback to clear goals. Whether it's improving a particular skill or achieving a specific target, make sure employees know what they need to work on and how they can improve. Using templates with clear goal-setting sections makes it easy to track progress over time and stay aligned with business objectives. So, to recap, conducting fair performance reviews involves using templates that assess key performance areas, provide actionable feedback, include self-assessments, and foster two-way communication. By staying consistent and focusing on clear goals, you'll not only improve performance, but also build trust with your team. Finally, if you want to follow along with the exact software I'm using in this tutorial, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. This software is a game changer for simplifying performance reviews, and as a viewer of my channel, you get access to this trial at no cost. The key takeaway here is that a fair performance review relies on consistency, clear criteria, and actionable feedback. Use templates that help structure your reviews, ensure fairness, and track progress effectively. And remember, the free trial in the description is your chance to start implementing this right away.